Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Heatmap tags using Segment with a UX strategy detailed guide step by step. Begin by understanding the role of Heatmap tags and how they contribute to your user experience strategy. Identify the common tools used for heat mapping, such as Hotjar or Crazy Egg, and ensure they are integrated with your Segment account. Review your current user data to determine which events and properties are important for your heat map analysis. Log into your Segment account and navigate to the Sources section. Select the source that collects your user interaction data, such as your website or mobile app. Review the existing data schema to identify the events that need to be tagged for heat map tracking. Update your event tracking in Segment by adding relevant properties that will enrich your heat maps. Ensure that your team collaborates to define a consistent naming convention for the tags you will use. Utilize Segment's tracking plan to visualize the data structure and avoid any potential gaps in your data collection. Implement the updated tracking configuration into your codebase. Test the updated configuration by simulating events and verifying that the data populates correctly in your Segment dashboard. Once verified, log into your heat mapping tool and ensure it is linked to your Segment account correctly. Monitor the data flow from Segment to your heat map provider, ensuring that tags are transferred. Set up specific heat map views based on the events that have been tagged in your user data. Analyze the collected heat map data to gain insights into user interactions and engagement. Use these insights to refine your UX strategy by identifying areas of improvement on your website or app. Iterate on your design based on the heat map findings and continue to monitor performance over time. Regularly review and update your tagging strategy in Segment to align with evolving user behavior and business goals. Engage your team in ongoing discussions to leverage heat map insights for enhancing user experience continuously. Document the entire process for future reference and to facilitate onboarding new team members. Conclude by summarizing the importance of integrating heat map tags within your UX strategy to optimize user interactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.